Okay, so gusto mong bumili ng property. Sure ka na ba sa budget mo? Alamin na cash flow mo. Magkano bang yung income? Lahat ng income i-consider. Kahit yung business income mo or yung sweldo mo, i-total it. And then minimum, at least conservatively, 30% of your income ang monthly amortization mo. That's already a very conservative amount. So step number 2, may savings ka ba? Kasi hindi na naman monthly amortization na kailangan. Siyempre, merong reservation fee, may down payment. Meron din namang mga options na down payment. Pero siyempre, mas mataas yung monthly amortization mo. So dapat talaga, alamin mo din kung may savings ka, nakakayanin ang down payment ng property. And lastly, don't forget to consider other expenses. Kasi dapat tinitingnan mo rin yung mga emergency fund mo, yung mga other expenses mo like tuition fee, or kung anything na extra expenses, kahit yung mga pang-shopping mo, pang-travel. So, kinukonsider mo din yun because you want to have a life aside from buying real estate. Kasi normally, yung iba, bumibili ng real estate, parang feeling nila hirap na sila sa life nila. So, dapat talagang kailangan palang invest ka sa property kasi this is one of your biggest investments. Siguraduhin mo na kayang-kaya mo ang monthly amortization, ang down payment, at lahat ng costs involved. Kung pasado ka sa checklist na to, good news! Baka ready ka na. Follow for more tips bago ka bumili ng property para iwas sablay at stress. See you in the next video!